Okay, day 85 was a 0.71% day, which is great. Except my last trade was a little too risky, and I'll get to that. But this is the first trade I had. CMC SA, so Comcast, it's a news broadcasting station. They had a really bad day yesterday. I think it was like a negative, it was a lot. We had a very bullish start to the day, and then it stalled right out. There was no more buying for a little bit. So I entered actually on this slight push down, and then I sold with this wick up. So I screenshotted after the wick up here, just for a quick scalp. Second trade was on LNG. Now LNG was up 5.7% at this point in the day. Now the thing is, LNG is an oil gas company. So with the price of gas and everything, these stocks are very volatile right now. There was a opportunity to short. Now I shorted at the just below the top of this wick because we had strong move. You can see this volume candle pick up, strong move down. I captured to the trend line, which is the red. So this is the previous trade I took. You can see that we pushed, and then the next candle was formed red where I was at, and then boom, we pushed even higher. So at this point up here was like up almost 8% on the day. Now you can see we had a rejection candle here. This is the 1 minute chart. Hard rejection candle, push up, hard rejection candle. I entered the position slightly early. So we had a sharp rejection, push up, sharp rejection. I entered here and we pushed a little bit higher. I was so close to getting stopped out on this trade. I was down negative 0.32. My max stop on the day is 0.35. So I was about to click exit, and then the trade started going in my direction. I captured the move till the blue line, which is the 9 EMA. Now the risky part of this was I only had 30 shares in this stock, right? However, the price movements were moving a lot, like 20-30 cent chunks. So these candles are like, for this one here, we're 284.5 to like almost 200, 286. So the movement is, the average true range of the stock was crazy today. Every candle was jumping like 50 cents to $1. So I should have been watching how much the bid and ask spread was apart as the stock was climbing before I entered a position, and I should have scaled my shares back to the size that was appropriate for the trade. Because if we got a all of a sudden insane candle like the one that formed at the beginning of the day, that would have been a nasty move that I would have had to realize a loss on. So that was a really good learning experience for me. I will definitely take that into tomorrow. But overall, I'm happy with today. It was a 0.71% day. Hope you guys have a great Thursday.